select this area, sketch, use a line, don't press escape, take your cursor somewhere here, bring it back. You see that yellow symbol here? That means that my line changed to arc. Okay. To this line and close it. Escape. Now, as we can see here, this is an arc of 25. Enter. Select this point, hold Control key at the keyboard, select the origin, and make them vertical. Select the arc, hold Control key at the keyboard, this line, and make them tangent. Features, Extruded Boss, and as you can see here, is 40. Okay. Select this area, select sketch, select this circle, smart dimension, there are two circles. The one is 25 times 25, 25, and Extruded Cut 25 deep. Okay. Select this area, select sketch, select circle, tab here, smart dimension, and tab here, 17. Okay. Features, Extrude Cut, up to surface. I select the surface here. Okay. This bit here is not 40, it is 25.